Today I'm going to talk about the AI which most helpful for a programming languages. So it's called as Mistral AI. This is the one I'm going to bring the video today. So this is the if you want to write the coding, you want to learn the coding. You are a fresher or you are a developer or you are a senior software developer. So once you start the code, you can put into this AI and you can ask, you can get the good clear information. Okay, so that this code is which help us to make the coding very fast. Okay, so this tool I am working on it, this very best tool. So you have to describe what is your problem as it is. Okay, so you have to describe your problem. According to the problem, it solve the error string. Okay, so here you can see there is a plus button. What it does is here, if you are a student or you are a fresher, the company gives some documentation. Okay, so the go through that documentation. According to the documentation, you have to plan the project and do the project according to the documentation, like agile. Okay, the once you did every software development, no one do without a proper documentation. Those documentation you attach into this software, and you have to click think and click search. According to the documentation, the project will be done through via this AI. So that there are very advanced steps they included in this AI. So this is very advanced part of this AI. This is the very essential part they are implemented of this AI. Okay, so here I'm going to ask act as a HTML CSS Flexbox Tailwind CSS developer. You have to tell them the AI what is the way you have to convert it. Here it's simple, it's answering everything. Here you can see here you can structure here. If it is a Flexbox, here it's clear documentation along with the Tailwind CSS, the attach CSS, and they give the guide as well. So I want to make the want you to make the eye-catching header along with sample logo, sample text for the website, and along with the links, along with the basic links of the page, basic links. Can you do it in the effective way? Here you can see here they bought us the simple way. Here you can see here everything I have to explain, that the display flags, justify content and align contents. Here this everything are there. Here you can see the first is bought by this one. This is the things. Okay, you can see the border radiant, it attached this one, it's a brand name, this is the links. So this is the links, you can see this is the links. It's a simple way it is attached. Here you can see. Okay, so let's copy this and let's try out whether it's working fine or not. Based on it, live server. Here you can see here. Now you can see it's a very simple here. It's very here. It's a mobile responsive website. It made it for you. Now you can see here this AI tool is how far it's good. You can see because that I have worked many AI tools, I satisfy this result. The some other AI tool, if you are bring and put into that, you ask the things, they design the website, but it's not mobile responsive. Okay, there are so much errors when you are give this prompt to any other AI tool, like uh, black box AI. There are many lot of AI tools available, but this AI tool, the output is so far different for as a program. Here it's very simple here. Okay, this coding also very good coding. This is the here if you are go through the coding line by line, the style first attached a gradient background linear gradient. They attach the this is the linear gradient. They are set it here. You can see. Okay, they set it the linear gradient. After that, what I am going to see is you can see here. It's at a section. At a section also that gradient. This gradient they will be passing here. The gradient style. To this gradient. Right? After the text color, it is white. Bring as a white. Okay, bring at a white, that's why this is a white color, right? So this is a container class, this container. So after that we have to flags justify content center, align enter center. Justify content means these things justify content, align enter center. Okay, you can see okay, right? So this one should be the brand name. Okay, so here this is not here you can see justify the flags justify between align center. Sorry, the first one I told you wrong, because what the thing is justify between mean it is coming like this. It is there. If these are two items, it is coming here. This is coming here. That is aligned item. So this justify between. So the logo size we have a size of the text size along with the bold color. Very simple. After that, navbar hidden block. Okay, so you have to write the flag space. You have to write the flag space. You have to give the space as well. This is a simple stuff. You have to use it. Very simple. They given the very simple way to implement the things. Okay, I hope you guys. After that, you can see the second one, text center, because justify content center. Here, you have to have the second row. Okay, simple one. It's a very mobile responsive, very easy to implement this one. I hope you guys understood the things well. This AI tool, I just put into the HTML website for here. You can put into whatever coding. Okay, if you have any doubts about the Java and C#, whatever you can ask, can gain the good result of this AI. This is there are many industrial are using this tool to improve their programming skills. So that I know of this AI. This is a very good AI tool. Okay, right? Is there any doubt you can ask me about this one? This is the AI tool I have recommended to do your software project works. So thank you for watching. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me, and thank you for watching.